Best Asian Beard Styles in 2020. Whether you're thinking of growing out your facial hair or looking for new beard style inspirations, just remember, it's all about making the most out of the hair you have. There are methods for growing a thick beard, or trying to grow a beard faster, and some beard growth serums have been shown to be effective. But in the end, the facial hair should always be there to accentuate your face, and the different styles you choose should be the ones that best suit your hair and personality type. So, let's get started. 1. The professional. This sophisticated look is about a clean cut with refined edges, whether that's a trimmed mustache or a thin goatee. The neatness and sharp lines of this style makes it suitable for professional situations, especially in business dealings with Asian businessmen. If you go to many parts of Asia, especially Eastern Asia, you'll notice a lot of men don't grow out their facial hair, so if you choose to go bearded, make sure it's well trimmed and groomed. 2. Full goatee and fade. The full goatee adds some gravity to the jawline, making it more prominent and distinguished. You can make this style more youthful or contemporary by adding a beard fade, which makes for a subtle transition in the sideburns. 3. Slightly wispy beard. If you're able to grow a full beard, go for it, man. Sometimes, though, Asian men will grow wispier beard hair, and if that's the case, then it's good to use beard shampoo regularly. 4. Asian Van Dyke. This combines the classic clean mustache and goatee pairing of the Van Dyke style with bold sideburns. The Van Dyke traditionally does not have sideburns, but with the sideburns, it looks more contemporary and edgy. For this style, it's good to keep some DIY mustache wax handy. 5. Boyfriend Casual. This one is also neat like the professional, but paired with slightly tousled hair, the combo can also look casual and cool. Keeping the mustache a little longer than stubble will make the hair on the upper lip softer for the ladies, and the slight stubble on the chin balances out the mustache and accentuates the jawline. 6. Free as a fisherman. If the rough look of a beard gone wild appeals to you and your carefree spirit, then there's nothing wrong with letting it go. With the right face, the carefree approach to beard growth manages to look rugged and makes the wearer seem adventurous. 7. Trimmed full beard. This is a distinguished look for men of any age. The full beard, when trimmed, manages to exude both strength and refinement. So, this is the list of best Asian beard styles in 2020. Now, if you like this video then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know more tips and tricks about beards then make sure to subscribe to our channel or visit our website, www.thekingsmanbeard.com. Also, if you want to grab a free bottle of our beard oil then just message us on our Instagram at thekingsmanbeard.